What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open quick settings panel and here click on this restart icon and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix voicemail notifications issue. So after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on notifications and then click on do not disturb. Now from here check if you have enabled do not disturb, then turn it back off. So when do not disturb is enabled, you will not be able to receive the notifications from some apps. So make sure do not disturb is disabled. And after that, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset, scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then here click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the voicemail notifications issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.